everybody.
Hi,
It's Nancy, Pampered
Hi,
with
everybody.
Diamonds.
Like and subscribe. You're the best.
They can't see you. They couldn't see you. That's
People?
okay. Yeah, the people. See if you
Hello,
they can
guys.
see if you can
Like
see.
and subscribe. You're the best. Thanks.
Okay.
Gotta go watch TV. I gotta show you something really epic today. I'm gonna show you the sea monsters.
No, that's okay.
Okay, I wanna show them that.
I have to finish. Okay, guys, that is my grandson. One of them. He just had to come on and say something. So today, I'm all frazzled. Today we are talking about my next upcoming whips. They're not actually work in progress yet, but they will be in the next few months. So I wanted to show you what I'm going to be working on. So for the month of March, I'm still working on the Fallon Gems, Meadow Wanderer by Fallon Gems. And here we are. We are back. Come over here and show it to them real quick.
Hello. Whoa, it's big. Hello. My name is Sea Eater, and I am a sea monster. And here comes Bloop. His name is Destiny. I am a Sea Eater. See, his mouth is an oval. It's wide open.
Yeah.
He
made that. He's been working on that.
That sound is the Ogre Majah. I'm sorry about the Ogre Majah, but he'll come later.
All right.
In a few minutes. In 5 minutes.
Well, maybe when the video's over, okay? So
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm not leaving. He is. Okay. So, of course, I'm working on my Meadow Wanderer by Fallon Gems. I'm almost done with that. I will have a completion video once Fallon Gems is done, the Meadow Wanderer. And I will show you this pile of stuff over here that I have completed. So, for April is Feeling Groovy with Scarlett's Little Crafting Corner. All right, I'm going to switch pictures so you can switch angles.
Here comes the blue.
No, we're done. We're done, honey. Okay. So, April is Feeling Groovy with Scarlett's Little Crafting Corner. And I am going to be working on, it can be anything that makes you feel groovy. And of course, that's the one I'm doing. Threads of the Universe. Guys, I'm finally going to be working on this one. It's kitted up. It's ready to go. And I think she is groovy with the pastel colors. And she's going to be blinged up. So she is really going to be groovy, in my opinion. And don't forget, I'm always going to be working on my Randal Spangler, Counting with the Draglings, and my Diamond Art Club calendar. Those are always going to be going on no matter what I'm working on. So for May, I am going to be doing 2 events. One is with Diamonds and Stuff, and one is with Crafty Chef Diamond. Crafty Chef Diamond is part of the group Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. So I am doing this one for that event. I don't know if it can be a crossover, because the one with Diamonds and Stuff is it is called I Will Not Desert You. Get it? Dessert. I don't have any other canvases with food, but I'm going to look really closely at my stash and see if I can find something with non-sugary food in it for Crafty Chef Diamond's event. I really want to support both of those events. So that would mean for May, I'm going to be doing this, probably another canvas with food in it, my threads of the universe, my counting with the Draglings, and my Diamond Art Club calendar. Yep, it's what I do, folks. It's what I do. Remember, I'm retired. I don't have a life. It's what I do. For June, I'm participating with Amy Sparkling Diamond Painting. So she is doing plants and flowers. And how about that one? You can't really see it, but it's beautiful. That's what I'm going to be working on for plants and flowers. And also, I'm also going to be doing Starlight Starbright. And that one is female. Hold on. Let me try to see what the heck I wrote. Oh, Female Beauty. I'm also going to be working on that one for Female Beauty for Starlight Starbright 70s event. And my Threads of the Universe. And my Spangler. And this one. And the calendar. How much more can I put on my plate? But I really think the food will be done by then. So I won't be doing the food. So we will see how it goes. So that is June. July, I am co-hosting with Crafty Chef Diamond for the Disney event in July. Has to be a Disney canvas. And this is the one I will be working on for July. That one. Retro Stitch. This one is decent size. I'm hoping my Threads of the Universe will be done by then. So I will have this one, the Spangler one, and the calendar. Oh, and for July, if I can swing it, I'm doing this one too. Has to be Christmas in July for Grandma's Christmas 25 with diamond paint and with Diamond Grandma. So this is the one I've chosen for her event. So this is July. Yeah. Crazy. Aren't I? Aren't I crazy? Okay. Let's see. What else do we got? Oh, intermission. Let me show you something. I don't know if I showed you already. I might have because it is beautiful. Do you see that? I love it. I have supplies in here, pens, markers. Actually, this guy needs to go in there. What's in the bottom? I have something in the bottom of here. Let me see. It might not be. Oh, yep. It is washi tape, and I have some more tips. I like this little bag. It came from O'Brien Custom Turning. So that's going to go right there. And we'll put my washi tape right there. Tools go there. My pens right here. And then diamond painting pens right here. So that is, I got this from Creations Moran. This piece right here. I like this little organizer. Comes in handy. And we do have a commercial break coming up.
We have a commercial break?
Yeah, you are the commercial break.
Hello, I'm
Okay,
here to
hold on.
inspect this Grandma.
Hold on. You want to start that again?
Yeah.
Start it again now.
Hello, we are here for this Il Gran Maja. What
They can't see it. They can't see it. See, your camera's over here.
Look, and we have these Il Gran Maja. This people can see it?
Yeah. He's got how many eyes?
6 eyes.
6 eyes.
He's gonna eat it. Look.
He's gonna eat everybody, so...
Watch out, be prepared. Watch out for the Il Gran Maja. Please take shelter now. He ate him.
All right. He did. He did. Oh boy, I hope you guys are all right. All right. Back to where we were. Okay. Month of August is Anxiety, Art, Adventure, and Sparkling Spectrumite. Paws and claws. You can do any licensed canvas you wish as long as it's got paws or claws in it. So that's an animal. What do I have picked out? Ready? This guy. Isn't it cute? Super cute. He's not really big. He is 27 colors. He is 16.5 inches by 20.5 inches. And I think it's going to come out beautiful. And he's got claws. Wouldn't you say? I'd say claws. So I should be done with retro by the time this one comes out. But I feel like we're doing the 12 days of Christmas because we're going to be doing this one and the calendar, and Grandma's Christmas should already be done, and the DAC calendar, and I think that might be all for August. What else can I pile on, though? Can I pile anything else on? I might. Who knows? I might decide I don't have enough because I might be done with the big ones and I get to pick another favorite canvas of mine. Oh, okay. I have another favorite. So you'll just have to stay tuned to find out what it is. But for September, let's see. September is Under the Sea with diamonds and stuff. Coral Garden is what I'm going to be working on. And here it is. See the turtle? Let's see if we can find a picture. Yeah. It's a Diamond Dotz. It's a sea turtle. And it is called Coral Garden. He is what I'm going to be working on for Under the Sea diamonds and stuff. And it's a partial, but I don't think it matters. I think you can do any size you want. So that is my choice. And then I think October, of course, October's Halloween. So I'm going to have to find a nice Halloween canvas. So yeah, I'll have to look for that. Find a nice non-scary. I don't like scary stuff, guys. And then in November, December is jingle drills. I will be doing jingle drills, and I have holiday canvases in there. I think I'm going to choose one of them from Michael's, a Make Market Christmas canvas. And I also think in October or November is with diamonds and stuff. She's doing moons, anything with a moon. So this is one that I will do for that one. An evening stroll. So because it's called an evening stroll, this is the moon. I'm guessing it's the moon. I mean evening, moon, right? So that one. That's the one I have picked out for that. And sometime this year, I'm going to be working on this one with Jeannie Bushnell's event. I don't know when she's going to have it, but it will involve cardinals. And there they are, right here. So we will be participating in that one too. And this one's called Cardinal Christmas. So we will be participating in that one as well. So that is the projects I have planned out for the rest of this year, which are subject to change. But right now, that's how it sits. I do have a birthday this month. I am waiting for Diamond Art Club to issue me my birthday points. And I'm going to get a Randal Spangler for the Randal Spangler event in December. I do want to participate in that. So I will be getting a Randal Spangler, and I'll be getting at least $75 worth so that I don't have to pay shipping because, well, you understand. So that is my list of things that I have coming up. And thank you for putting up with my grandson and his large sea creature. Like and subscribe and comment, please. Comment. We are so close. We're like 50 away or 52 away from 500 subscribers. Guys, tell your friends. It would be, if I can maintain at least 500, that would be awesome. That would really be awesome. So, all right, guys, that's what I have for you today. That's what I have for you today. And remember to always be kind to everyone you